Hi future game changers, I'm David from Bag. Are you ready to dive into the world of endless possibilities? Welcome to Bag, where your career journey begins. Today I'm going to walk you through 4 steps that you need to create your Bag account. Step 1. All you need is to open a new browser and type in bag.work. Step 2. You're going to be directed to a page where you need to choose your preferred login methods. This could be through your Google email or your LinkedIn profile or others. Step 3. After choosing your preferred login method, you're going to be directed to a page where you need to fill in your personal information such as name or your WhatsApp number. Step 4. You now need to choose your area of interest, and this is based on your education background or the skills that you're passionate about. After you click submit, guess what? You've already opened up your Bag account, and now start exploring what the platform features have to offer. Welcome to the Bag community.